Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to transfer USDT from Earn to funding in Binance for 2025. Whether you're staking your USDT in Earn and need to move it to your funding wallet for trading or withdrawals, this guide will get you sorted quickly and safely. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Binance account. If you haven't already, head to the Binance website or app and enter your credentials. Security is key, so double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled. Step 1. Navigate to the Earn section. This is where your USDT is probably locked up earning interest. Once you're there, find your USDT holdings and look for the option to withdraw or transfer assets. It's usually under a Manage or Withdraw button. Click that to proceed. Step 2. Select USDT as the asset you want to transfer. You'll see a prompt asking where you want to send it. Choose Funding Wallet as the destination. This is Binance's spot for quick access to funds for trading or other activities. Step 3. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Be precise. Double-check the figure to avoid mistakes. Then, review the transaction details, including any fees, which are typically minimal for internal transfers. Step 4. Confirm the transfer. You'll get a verification code or prompt. Enter it to finalize. Once done, head over to your funding wallet to see the USDT arrive. This whole process should take just a minute or two. A quick tip. Always monitor your balances after transfers, as network congestion can cause delays. If something goes wrong, Binance has excellent support resources. There you have it. That's how you seamlessly move your USDT in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.